Bell pepper harvest time. Rain came through here yesterday and it got this plant leaning because they have all these heavy bell peppers on them. Oh boy, look at y'all. Look at y'all. Time to harvest these bell peppers. Yes. Let's get busy here. Look at them. Got a lot more coming too. Look right there. Come on, bell peppers. Y'all are just growing so big now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Let's harvest some bell peppers today. Ooh, look how big you are. See if I be able to get you out without having to get the scissors. Look at you, looking nice. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, another big bell pepper. Great. Pulled you the whole leaf off, would you? Okay, great. Look at here. Nice bell peppers. See if this branch is gonna come back up now. Oh, I still got another big one hanging here. Look at that one. Okay. Nice harvest of bell peppers. Oh, anything else on here? Oh, I see one more. I'm gonna have to get something to hold you up. Let me finish harvesting these bell peppers. Oh boy, look how big you are. Look at that. Yes, you look nice. I can get you out here. Look at that. Okay. Nice size bell pepper. Look at here. A nice harvest of bell peppers. Yes. Grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes. Looking great. Looking great. And a lot more to come. A lot more to still come. Look at that. They still growing. And we in November. They still growing. Yes. Yes. More to come. Great. So great. So great. Look at that. Now let's go see how the jalapeno peppers are doing. Nice bell pepper harvest. Look at my jalapeno peppers. Yes, it's time to harvest you guys too. I'm glad y'all got bigger for us. Yes. Nice size jalapeno peppers. Yes, looking great, looking great. Looking great, yes you are. Let me get busy harvesting some jalapeno peppers. Have a handful of jalapeno peppers. Look at this one right here. That's a big one there. Yes, you are. Make sure I get you. Jalapeno peppers and bell peppers. Yes, more to harvest. Another handful of jalapeno peppers and still more to come. More growing. Look at y'all. More growing. More to harvest. Still have blooms on it too. More jalapeno peppers coming. Get bigger for us. Nice pepper harvest today. Bell peppers and jalapeno peppers. Looking good. Yes, you are looking good.